Hello friends. What else can you do with a 3D printer? Now I'll show you. There are special fasteners to hold the mosquito net, and as you can see, they are worn out and broken. I've printed new ones. Let's install them. And so friends, let's see what I got. It fits perfectly. Now let me install the mosquito net. Well, friends, so I installed a mosquito net on the window, and as you can see, the fastening is not even visible. Everything is just super. The mesh is tight and does not wobble. I hope the video was useful. Subscribe to the channel, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and see you soon.